Yeah, hello everyone. So today we have a candidate from QSquared who got placed. So let us know about him. Yes, can you please introduce yourself?
So myself Dharmarajan, I am from Tamil Nadu. I have done my UG in Electrical Electronics from August College of Engineering and Technology. The CG class 1.5.
Okay, how did you get to know about QSquared?
Sir, my friend suggested me to join in QSquared personally. He is an old student from this institute. So he referred me, so I came.
So which are the courses that we have completed in QSquared?
Sir, here I learned manual testing, SQL, automation testing and code Java. Here I will go for presentation and mark for whenever they give, I will attend that mark and the presentation I will give.
Okay, what did you like in QSquared?
Sir, and the teachings are so well and they will be so kind and all the mentors will be good.
Okay, till now how many interviews you have attended?
So more than 10 interviews I have attended.
So what was your experience there?
Sir, in that I got rejected in second round or third round, but I will clear in first round. Happy.
So what would you suggest, like how would you suggest your friends for new learners?
Sir,
Gorilla.